It is definitely long overdue, but the event just wouldn't be perfect without you, her internet family. Today is Baby Kate baptism. It is actually also Mother's Day. It's a family and close friend event, and I am so thankful for all the aunts and uncles that has made it. I also want to throw out a special thank to my sister Erica. She is a champ. She baked all of the goods as well as did all of the fruit for me. The party honestly was a blast. I had so much fun. This was the first time that I saw all my friends again. This was the first time that my friend actually met my babies. I would like to thank Pink and Blue Co. for giving me this present in celebration of Kate's birth. Thank you so much. The bracelet is so well made and it is so beautiful on. I want to thank my friend and family for their wonderful and creative presents. Thank you so much for attending the event. But my favorite present is waking up the next day, taking a pregnancy test and realizing I'm pregnant again. So Kate actually came before I had a chance to do my baby shower, and so for Kara's, who's now in my tummy, I decided to do this a little bit earlier. Kate right now is officially at 8 months. And this event couldn't be made possible without the help of my friends and family. Thank you so much for the help, especially from all the goodies and sweet made by my very close friend and sister, Malia. So in celebrating the event, I wanted to document it by hiring Fat Ray, who is my photographer at my wedding. He did such a beautiful job. I wanted him to photograph this event for me and the many more that I will have in the future. If you're interested in using the same photographer, if you live in the Boston or the New York area, I will link his link down below. You can contact him. He is super genuine and I love working with him.
How do you feel about today's event? That's how she feels about it.
That's how she feels.
How do you feel about today's event? That's how you feel about it. Is it your day or my day?
Ah!
Is it my day or your day?
Ah!
How you go?
Yeah, this is good. Okay.
I can move.
1, 2, 3.
Ah!
The baby. Kiss the baby there.
Ah!
The leg looks like this how. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, good.
If you're interested in hiring the same photographer and are living in the New York area, I have linked his information down below. You can go ahead and ask him for a quote.
Kate!
The
The balloon! Aww.
Okay, yeah, give it to.
Green sleeping. I'll put her to bed in a little bit. Kiddo! Kiddo! Hi, you! Hi! Are you tired? Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
It's like the life of a model.
Oh, yeah.
So tired.
Oh.
Da da da!
Kiddo! Yeah! You like the bunny? You like the bunny?
So my sister, so my friend wanted me to do a live unboxing or live present unboxing, so I'm going to just throw this clip on.
She's like, I get to use it first.
I'll test it out for my little sister.
Yeah, I'll test it out.
Look, that's cute.
Oh, cute.
Look, hand-me-downs for your sister.
Oh, cute. I love it.
She's so cute.
I love them. Thank you so much.
Kate's like, let me tap it to see if it's good.
I touched it in mine. I call it first.
It took like 5 hours.
Hey, not 5 hours too.
Was it 5? Okay.
Damn, 2 hours is all the time.
What's this from?
Is there something written on the tag? Lily, how long did this take, Lily? How long did that take?
But actually, this whole part took only an hour.
Oh my god.
So put stuff together. It's another hour. I have to put the board and put the stuff in. I'm almost done.
I'm sorry.
I got a yellow pepper. First one you put there. Oh my god, you
Oh my goodness. That is so cute.
Korean Bridget. Yeah.
That's from you, right?
No, that's right.
I think the same thing with this one.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, it's another class that my thought.
What's that one have on it? That's like a blanket.
Yeah, I do. But I don't know what it's from. I think it might be from napkin last.
Oh, it's from a. They came earlier. One at the back?
Oh, on the napkin?
Yeah, I think so.
Cloud Island, stuff like that. What's Cloud Island? I'm like, that's blue.
Target.
You baby brand. You baby brand.
Cute bag. Oh, you're fine.
I don't know which name it's from. Okay, Tina, did you bring diapers?
No, Richard, not Richard.
Yeah, thank you so much.
God damn it.
Too many of zero.
Hey,
These aren't just Kate memories, these are also my memories. I enjoy rewatching my older video just because if I didn't record it, there are so many events that I kind of just forget. We moved to such a digital, I guess, era that no one has an actual photo album anymore, and that's why I decided to hire Ray because we printed so many photos out. I like hard copies of things. I like to know that these people were here for me, and I will always be thankful for that, and they will always be my family. And then there you guys. You guys who have watched her grow in my belly, you guys who have watched her came out, you've watched her birth video, and you're still here. And she is very thankful for that. and I hope one day she'll get to meet all of you who have been watching her grow. Thank you for watching Cate Baptism as well as Kara's baby shower. Next, let's watch baby Cate turning 1 year old.
Alright, so your uncle is fixing your hair. We're gonna choose your future today. You're gonna
hair.
We're gonna see what you're gonna choose to do when you grow up and see if you actually stick with it when you grow up. So we chose 5 things for her. She can choose medicine to go toward the health field. She can choose money and go into politics. She can choose the keys and go into or family business. She can choose the pen and anything that has to do with education, that would be her. Or she can choose the lipstick to do beauty stuff. So it's up to her what she want to do. Let's see what she would choose. Don't worry, this is just for us to keep from our memory. Hi, baby! Your sister's choosing her future.
So we're all taking bets. What are you guys betting that my daughter will pick up first?
Medicine, what do you pick? What do you say?
Me?
Yeah.
Anyone she takes so much money on.
She's like,
The pencil?
I know.
I think she's gonna pick up the keys. Alright, Katie! Look what I have for you! Hi! Hi! Hi!
Get the pencil. Get the pencil.
Chưa.
Cái gì đây con? Chọn một cái đi.
Chọn đi.
Rồi.
She's scared. No,
I
it's
think it
okay.
was the only thing moving. That's
Yeah. Let her see what she play with.
We'll see what
Don't touch it. Let her see.
she's gonna get that pen. She's gonna get that.
Yeah!
I know you.
She threw it.
Not like your book, Jama. No, it's because it
No.
was close.
Yeah, it was closest thing to her.
Okay, we're
That's
gonna
why
put
I said you have to put it together.
Oh, I know her. Ow. She played with her pen today. Hey, she knows that if it's loud, shut up.
Okay, honey, go. Kate, no, baby, it's okay. You got your lady? No, nobody say anything. Let's see what she does. Yeah, nobody look at her. Let's see what she does. Yeah, she's scared.
Ốc lần thứ 2 mới chắc.
Don't look at her.
Nhìn cái cô vàng này con.
Don't look at her. I knew it.
Baby,
Con biết rồi, con
I don't know what you're gonna do with a pen, but it better make me a whole bunch of money. Okay, I will invest in your education. I don't know what you want to be, but I'll invest in it. Private schooling? Okay. Okay. You see? You still want it?
She's like, I like that pen.
Alright. Look like we don't have to give her any inheritance.
Con biết là nó choose cái này mà.
Đó, chứ cái happy birthday mà.
Dạ con biết mà.
I'm disappointed in you. I really am, okay?
Why did the pencil out there? Give me my pen.
No. This one.
No, it doesn't work that way. She chose the pen twice.
Yeah.
Well, technically she chose the lipstick and then she chose the pen.
Yeah, and she went back and forth. But that was like in the middle. That's why, you guys. It's also in the middle.
That's what makes the game so fun. She chooses the first one she sees. And that's what it is.
Okay, she likes money too.
Check everything out. She's like, what's it?
It doesn't. The game's over, man. Game over.
Oh, this one you choose? No.
No money.
She likes medicine too.
Đó, thì muốn đâu phải là bác sĩ đâu ba, cái chai.
No, she's not picking up the keys.
Nó không ngon về của món đó rồi.
No. She's not even everything now.
Rồi, nó là bắt cái chì rồi.
It's okay.
Sao?
It's okay. You can choose whatever career you want. I will depend on the boys then.
Maybe she could still be a plastic surgeon.
Oh. Acha! Acha! So again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kate. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
No, she wants to break it. Let her break it.
Zoom into Carl's face. She looks happy. Hoodie.
Thả bánh đi. Thả bánh đi.
There you go.
Alright. What's she gonna do? Aww, she's so happy. You tell her.
You want her dip?
No.
Just let her mess. Maybe we should take her.
Yeah. No, she's okay. I'll wash after. You don't want to talk about it?
Oh.
You don't want to touch it? You don't want to touch it?
Một phát là ba cho keo và phá đó.
Like it? You like? You like?
She's not gonna go to sleep until like 12 today. What was that?
Good job. You don't like sweet. Like mom.
She was like,
Giờ phá đi, phá bánh đi, để
No, she wants the candle.
she likes anything
Long.
long.
Nó bỏ.
You gonna stop people with the candles? Ew. Okay, sorry. All right, Auntie, you can eat the cake now.
Oh no.
It's not gonna mess it up.
No, she wants the candle, dude.
She pick that black part off.
Okay.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
She doesn't really want to pass. Oh, she's like, oh, bitch, you don't like it? You don't like it? Chocolate, I guess, chocolate.
Nó nhiều trễ rồi.
Okay, let's go clean.
Hey baby. Biết sao không? Tại làm nguyên cả ngày đây, bây giờ hôm nay về mới gặp nó đây nè, đang nhớ đây nè.